Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at this garnish molding on this Toyota Camry. It's not holding on, right? So if we zoom in a little bit here, it's not retaining itself to the door frame. And if we finish pulling it the rest of the way off, what we can see is there's nothing wrong with the little prong here. You want to see the prong's not broken off and the little kind of bulbous end is still there. The problem is this little grommet right here has worn out, and we need to replace that. Now, to get this out, you just need to get a pair of pliers that you can grab this with, and you want to be really careful with the paint. Right? In this case, you can see this one's just destroyed. It's all broken. That's the reason it's not staying on. And to replace that, we're going to put in a genuine Toyota 67499 320, and the current ones are like a red color from these original ones. This is a 2000 model year, and I'll put in the video title and the description the years this fits. Now this is used in the front, so we got this that fits in here, we got this that fits down there, and then we want to make sure that we get that little prong back in there, and it's going to squeeze in, and now it's in there tight. Now we need a trim tool to pull it off, which is the way it's supposed to be. Let me show you the one in the rear now. Alright guys, I should probably point out the vehicle we're working on is a CE trim model. It's an actual model year 2000 Camry. This photo here is of the higher trim models like the LE. They'll have a small little tweeter speaker mounted as part of this garnish molding. This repair applies to them just the same. Alright, the garnish molding in the rear is right here, and again, it's just barely holding on. Again, we want to make sure these little prongs are intact and not broken, because if that's a problem, then you got to replace the whole unit. This guy over here is just an alignment peg, so he doesn't have this fat piece on the end. And then on here, there's two of those little grommets. Do the same thing on this side. Again, we're just going to carefully grab the edge. Now this one's not coming out as easy as the one in the front. So it's not completely destroyed, but it's destroyed enough that it's not holding. Just got to keep working it, being very careful with the paint. This one's real stubborn. Alright, and then this guy here, yeah, that one's not even holding on. So this one was probably not that bad. And we'll put a couple of these new ones in. So this particular part number fits the front and the back. The back one takes 2, and the front one takes 1. And now, same kind of deal. We'll get this fitting up on there and push it in till it clicks. And now she's held on the way she's supposed to. I hope this video helps you out. If you got questions or comments, leave them below and I'll try to help. I'll put the part number and links where you can find it down in the video description. If you found this video useful and it'll save you some money, go ahead and hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching.